Welcome back, my beloveds. So today we are repotting my very first African violet plant, or flower I should say. I've named her Violet. Why not? She's Violet. And so if you're interested in this video, stick along. So I got the traditional African violet pot for me to repot it in. It comes with like an insert jar. So with the outer jar, you're to put like half water inside of that, and then you insert the other jar inside, and it kind of waters itself. It's considered a low maintenance plant that only requires half water, and it self waters over time. As you see, my sepal broke. How did that happen? I don't know. I did go ahead and Google to figure out what do I do. I didn't realize until at this point that it was broken, and so I'm thinking that maybe I'll have to prune it. This is my first time, so I'm just all new to this, so I think I'll have to prune it so that it doesn't stress out the rest of the plant. But I'm just proceeding with repotting it at this point, and so I'm adding some soil to the bottom so that I can get it all fitted and situated inside of the pot. I'm trying to be as careful as possible now that this sepal is broke. I want to say that's what it's called. I looked up on Google a flower diagram just so I could get familiar with the different parts of the flower, so I can know how to accurately describe it, or understand what I'm dealing with. And so I want to say that's what it is. And so I went ahead and I got this particular flower because not only was it low maintenance, but it was also non-toxic for dogs. And so now that I have a dog, I want to make sure I have plants inside the home that, if in fact, which he knows better, but if in fact he for whatever reason got into it, it wouldn't cause any harm to him. And so I'm using this spoon to just pack in the side. I initially watched a video of a woman who used her hands, but obviously somewhere along the line I broke my little flower already, so I didn't want to take the risk of lifting it with my hands. I thought that it probably would work better if I just used this plastic spoon to pack in the sides. Couple amazing facts about the African violets are that they're compact, low-growing flowers native to the rainforests of Tanzania and Kenya. I also love the fact that not only are they beautiful, low-maintenance house plants, but they also improve the air quality in your home. So I thought it was pretty cool to find out that they also contribute to a cleaner indoor environment by adding moisture and helping to reduce airborne dust. And so here I am thinking I'm getting this flower for one reason, only to find out that it's also a benefit to my overall home. So if you're interested in this particular flower, I think this is a great starter or beginner flower, especially if you just don't really know how to care for flowers. This is great. And also I was told, or I read, that you have to change the water out every 10 days, so that's another thing to keep in mind or make a reminder for. But this is the final step, and here we are. Very beautiful, very simple. My first time repotting my very own plant. I'm already looking forward to many more videos just like this, because this is such a joy for me. But as always, in our departing, you guys be blessed, and until next time, shalom, shalom.